Beer Champ Barbecuers, happy Thanksgiving. Today, I'm doing up some acorn squash and a stuffed pumpkin. I'm just doing some sides today. The turkey, maybe I'll do that next year. I'm leaving that up to the old lady in the house. And I'm going to reuse some of the leftover stuffing in this pumpkin, so you won't see me cooking everything I'm putting into that pumpkin, but I will tell you what's in it. Anyway, we are going to fire up the Weber kettle, and we're going to use some Kingsford pecan charcoal. There's our ingredients, and the stuffing is next, and I'm going to be using venison. And just before we get started here, I do have the heater on, and it's like, I know it's 30 degrees or less outside right now, and windy, a little windy, and cloudy as hell, a little bit of snow in the air, and in here, 50 degrees. 50 degrees, keep the door shut. I do have my duct fan in case it gets a little smoky. We'll be blowing the smoke out of here. It's not 100% sealed like I told everybody, but it's 50 degrees is perfect for me. There's a little bit of heat, and when I get this grill going, we're going to be almost 60 degrees. folks, Thanksgiving, we're about ready to plate up. Check that. Stuffed pumpkin. The smell is amazing. First time I've ever tried it. And yeah, the smell is just amazing. We're going to cut into this in just a minute. The acorn squash smelled amazing. I brought that in already. That is just resting with a foil over it. So tenting the acorn squash to make that even more super moist and fall apart. So that's always good. You can't go wrong with that. But we are going to cut in to this stuffed pumpkin. Ooh. Coming together. It smells delicious out here. Went in the house, everything smells delicious there. I hope you guys are having a good Thanksgiving as well. Yeah, one day a year. One day a year. Cook that yard bird that really I'm not very interested in turkey very often. Sometimes a turkey leg at the Renaissance Fair is decent too if you ever go. So check that out. Stuffed pumpkin. First time ever making that. And I had some leftover stuffing from the turkey. And then I added venison to it. Usually in the turkey we do sausage. But there was no meat in the long grain wild rice or whatever it was. Mushrooms, onions, simple, and then add your protein, put that in whatever cavity you want to put it in. So turkey, pumpkin, whatever. We did it in a pumpkin. Oh hell yeah. Let's get a bite. Steamy goodness. Man. The smell in here is amazing. That sound that you're hearing is the heater in here because it's less than 30 degrees outside and it's over 50 degrees in here. The shanty is rocking. It is so nice in here. So folks, happy Thanksgiving. Cheers. Spend time with your family. Put your phones down and take the time. Spend it with friends, family, whatever. Reach out. Sometimes we forget about it. And yeah, I have to do the same as well. Not preaching, because I'm bad at it too. Just thinking about it, I have to say happy Thanksgiving to my mom. She's still around. So, appreciate your family. Cheers. Man, that looks good. Appreciate good food too. Pretty much like I always say, that's rocking. That really is. That's worth trying, folks. Do it if you can. And coming up, I know I have a delivery tomorrow. One grill is coming. 2 more within a few days after that. This whole thing is going to be changing in a few weeks. And once I got that taken care of, then I could do some better lighting in here, and man, it's just more. Keep on in. Keep on in and keep on barbecuing, folks. It's great. I love cooking outside. I love eating the grub on the smokers and the grills and whatever you got. Dutch ovens, cast iron, all of that. I think it brings us back to our roots a long, long time ago. And that's why it's so satisfying. So hit the thumbs up, subscribe if it's your first time here, and go grab yourself a beer. You'll enjoy it. Cheers, folks. Thank you. Thanksgiving. Thank your family for being around. Cheers.